Almost nobody realizes this, but some of the most powerful YouTube channels don't rely on personality, storytelling, or even traditional content. They rely on presence. Think about this. How many times have you opened YouTube, not to watch something actively, but just to have something playing in the background, while studying, while working, while thinking, while trying to focus? You're not there for entertainment in the usual sense. You're there for atmosphere, and millions of people around the world are doing the exact same thing every single day. Students trying to finish assignments late at night, programmers working through long coding sessions, writers staring at blank pages, people searching for calm in the middle of a noisy world, and they all end up in the same type of place. A simple video, soft music, a calm visual, nothing dramatic happening, and yet they stay for hours. The channel behind this is Lofi Girl. Over 15 million subscribers, thousands of live viewers at any moment. Not because something exciting is happening, but because nothing is. It's predictable, it's calming, it's reliable, it becomes part of people's routines. And here's what makes this niche different from almost every other niche on YouTube. Most videos lose relevance after a few days. These videos don't. They generate views for months, sometimes years, because people don't watch them once. They return again and again, which makes this one of the most stable and scalable niches you can enter right now. And the best part, you don't need to show your face. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need professional animation skills. And you don't even need to create music manually. Because with the help of AI, the entire process becomes simple. But everything starts with the most important step. Step 1, create the music. For the music, we will use Suno AI to generate high-quality, royalty-free, lo-fi instrumental tracks. We've provided a universal prompt you can copy directly that will generate for you music in correct BPM and create a calm, chill, lo-fi style music. Generate a few short tracks using this prompt and then merge them into a single 1 to 2 hour track. This continuous audio is key to keeping viewers relaxed and engaged throughout your video. Step 2, create the visual scene. Next, we'll create the visual scene using Leonardo AI. This is where your lofi video gets its cozy, relaxing vibe. Imagine an anime-style character studying at a desk with a warm lamp lighting the room. Keep everything calm, soft, and detailed. We've provided a universal visual prompt you can copy exactly to create this scene and paste into Leonardo to make one for you. You can also make simple variations, like changing the rain to snowfall, night to sunset, desk to cafe, or switching the character from girl to boy. Step 3, animate the image. Once your visual scene is ready, go to Imagine by Grok to animate your image. Insert your image and then add a short prompt along with your image to tell it to make the animation related to lo-fi music. This will create subtle animations like slow zooms, lamp glows, or light rain effects. And that's how you animate your lofi image without doing any complicated manual work. Step 4, combine and edit the video. Now it's time to put everything together. Take the animation you created in Imagine by Grok and duplicate it multiple times to make your video longer. This way, even a short animation can become a full-length lo-fi video. Next, test it with the music you made earlier using Suno AI. Make sure the animation loops smoothly and matches the full audio length. Adjust if needed to keep everything seamless. Step 5, thumbnail. For the thumbnail, it's really simple. Take the image you created for your video and resize it to the correct YouTube thumbnail aspect ratio. Then you can use it as it is, no extra edits needed, and upload it directly to YouTube. And this is how you create a perfect lo-fi music video.